Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel, Tech World, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we guys can log in into your Spark to bank account. So basically, for those people who do not have Sparkasse is basically a bank. And if you guys want to know more about it, you can visit the official website of Sparkasse as well, where you guys can know about its service, its plan, and many more other facilitate provides as well, right? But this video is not on that. This video is for those people who have an account in Sparkasse and they want to log in into an online. Follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new trade channel Tech World, then don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. Now let's move forward with today's video. First step, you want to search for logins Sparkasse. After you search for logins Sparkasse, there's going to be the first option where it says login online banking. Berliner Sparkasse. Make sure it takes you to sparkasse.d. Alright, so it's like a Danish bank that says D. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to the official website of Sparkasse. Once you're over here, the website is going to be in like another country's language. You can use Google Translate in order to translate it. I've already done that for those people who do not know how they can do that. At the top of this screen, you can just see this little Google Translate icon. You can click on it and choose English, and the page will be translated. Once you do that, it's going to bring you over here in this English version, but if you understand the Germany version, you don't have to translate it. Alright, basically over here where it says login name, you need to enter your login details like your login name and residence PIN code. You need to enter the PIN code of your account over here. After you enter the PIN code of your account, if you are assured that this is your login name and this is your PIN code, click on sign up securely and you shouldn't be able to log in into your Sparkasse's online banking account. And if you forgot your login details for some reason, you can click on forgot your login and it'll help you guys to recover your login details as well. Alright, so if you guys found our video helpful on how we guys can log in at just SparkasseBank, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.